So now when we have to go into the next segment here, I just want to make sure that you guys really know that, like if you look at all these questions, it says a car dealer buys a car for $500 and then sells it for $640. So what is a percentage profit? So you will find the profit, you will divide it by the cost price and times 100% will give you the profit percentage. Similarly, if you look at this fifth question, it says when tax is added to the cost of a camera, its price increases from 165 to this. So what is the rate at which the tax is charged? So you will find the tax first of all by subtracting these two values here, okay? So this minus this will give you the tax, and then tax over this, which is the original value, times 100% will give you the rate at which the tax has been charged, okay? That would obviously be in percents. Okay, now my interest is for this segment is the seventh question and onwards. Now, this is something that even the teachers are confused to really find the answers here. I'll be asking from you guys. It says find the cost price for the following. The selling price is $55 and the profit is 10%. So guys, please tell me, how would you find the cost price here? Yes, you have to be quick. Yes. Anyone?
Profit over selling price into 100.
Okay. क्यों भाई? No one interested in responding to this?
Sir,
Okay, I
तो
have
add कर
all your arguments. Now you will have to listen to me very carefully, guys. Please see, this is a very, a complicated kind of a situation here. Suppose if you were given the cost price, okay? Suppose if you were given the cost price, suppose the cost price is given as $50. And you know that there is a profit of 10%, okay? So anyone who find the selling price, you could simply find it through 110% of this 50, and that is going to be $55. Okay, so this is the way to find this when you have the original value over here. Now all of you are saying here that I should be finding the 10% of 55. So guys, please remember, I have given you two rules. Please remember them, that whenever you multiply a percentage with anything, this thing has to be the original value. The selling price is never the original value. The selling price includes a profit in it. So in this case, the original price is going to be the cost price, okay? And you will assume this to be X, okay? So since there is a profit of 10%, you should let me write that 110% of X, that is equal to 55. What do you say, guys? So does that make sense to you, that 110% of X, that is equal to 55? Yeah, I want to hear from you guys. Kyubi Malaika, Hassan, Huzaifa, do you realize your mistakes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
yes,
So
sir.
please remember, the percentage can only be multiplied by the original value. And this time, the original value has to be calculated. So we are supposing this to be X, okay? Now we know that this 110% as a decimal, it is 1.1, or as a fraction, it is 110 over 100 times X, that is equal to 55. And I believe you can solve it then, that this is 55 times 100 over 110. So that is how you find this. You see, that is your 50 is the cost price, as I kept it here just to make it clear to you. Okay, now look at this D part. Do you think you can solve it now? D part, can you try this D part?
Yes, sir.
Now it says in this D part that the selling price is 11.78. So remember, the selling price is never the original value, okay? There is a loss of 5%. If there is a 5% loss, then when you are going to find, you're going to write that equation. So dash percent of X equal to 11.78. Since there's a loss, so now this number over here, this percentage over here, should this be more than 100 or less than 100? Less, because there is a loss. Okay, so I'll be writing here 95%. Okay, guys, 95% of x, that is going to be 11.78. So we know that since they're decimals, we have to use a calculator. I can write it as 0.95x, that is equal to 11.78. Please tell me, what do we get when we divide it by this? 11.78 divided by 0.95. So what is the cost price?
12.4.
Okay, this is $12.4. That is the cost price here. Okay, let's see if we have some more questions like this here. Okay, let me clear all of this. Um, hmm, it says, let me look at this. You can go through all these questions here. Uh, hmm. Look at question number 11. A can of worms is sold for 48 cents, incurring a loss of 20%. So what was the cost price? So you can simply say 80% of X, that is equal to 48. And then you can solve this, okay? Look at this 14th question. The cost of insuring a mobile phone changed from $80 per year to $8 per month. What is the percentage increase in the yearly cost? Oh, is like, trying to confuse you. This is $80 per year. So if you're going to charge $8 per month, so how many dollars per year? $96, Hannah. So this is a simple question on the percentage increase. You can find that there is going to be, the increase is 96 minus 80, that is 16. So this is 16 over, what is the original value here? Is that 96 or the 80?
96.
It is 80 times 100%. Okay, it was initially being charged at 80, Mustaqim, and now this is 96.
20%.
Yeah. So there is a 20% increase in this. Okay, guys, you can try all these questions. Okay. I have explained the method how to find the original value over here.